Former Congress MLA from SOHIONG, Hdr Lyngdoh, said he is still with the Congress party, even if the MLAs and the leaders have left the party, and also after the suspension of the 5 MLAs who had given their support to the NPP-LED coalition MDA government. Speaking on the matter, Hdr Lyngdoh said that the leaders or the party workers may have left the party, but they cannot dissolve the Congress party in the state that has gained strength right from the grassroots level.
I have nothing to say, but I would like to state that although the leaders have left, it is not that when the leaders left, the party will be wiped. That all the people have left, but the people are still there, and I'm very hopeful that Congress will gain strength.
So what your preparation for the upcoming election? You will be contest from the Congress itself? Or?
Yes, no doubt. I'm still with the Congress. I'm very much with the Congress. And I will contest also from the Congress.